Essay on Children's Day in English. Essay on Children's Day in English. Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated in India every year with great pomp and show on 14th of November. It is celebrated by the teachers and students in the schools and colleges with great passion and excitement. In India, Children's Day is celebrated on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Because of his love for children, his birthday has been recognized as Children's Day. He was born on 14th November. Children used to fondly call him Chacha Nehru. He liked very much to be among children as well as talk and play with them. In all schools, various programs and organized on Children's Day. Children are also told about their rights and duties on Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated in schools to focus on children and give them happiness. Teachers also participate in many culture programs such as drama, dance, etc. for their beloved students. On this day, teachers also take children on a picnic. On this day, special programs are organized by the TV and radio media to give respect to the children as they are the future of the country. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.